Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Adobe Express templates with your brand colors, full guide step by step clearly. To update Adobe Express templates with your brand colors, first, log into your Adobe Express account. Navigate to the templates section from the main dashboard. Use the search bar to find the specific template you wish to customize. Once you select a template, click on it to open the editing interface. On the right side, you will see the panel with various editing options. Locate the brand tab in that panel and click on it. If you haven't set up your brand colors yet, you can do so by selecting Add Brand. Input your brand colors manually or upload your brand logo. Once your brand colors are added, select the color you want to apply from the palette. Now, click on the elements in the template that you wish to change. For each element, look for the Fill or Color option in the top toolbar. Click on the Fill option and choose your brand color from the available selections. Repeat this process for all relevant elements in your template. As you make adjustments, pay attention to the overall balance of colors. After you've finished updating the colors, review your design for consistency. Make any final adjustments as needed to ensure your design aligns with your brand identity. Once satisfied, click the Download button to save your updated template. Alternatively, you can also share your design directly from Adobe Express. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.